Agriculture was and is still the mainstay of the state's economy. Adoption of new technologies to transform agriculture into high productivity and profitability was the need of the hour. In India, rural areas had been using fertilizers which contained chemical components, which in long term harmed the land rather than helping. In recent times, seaweeds are emerging as alternative renewable biomass for the valorization. To prepare useful materials having commercial value, and liquid seaweed plant biostimulant is one of them. Till date, plant biostimulants used in our country are imported and are mostly prepared from seaweed grown in cold water. However, scientists in India have proven the efficacy of sargassum, which is abundant in Indian water, as plant biostimulant. Apart from sargassum, Carpophycus alvarezi, which is a tropical water seaweed and is being cultivated in India, is found to be an excellent plant biostimulant after rigorous field trials on several crops all over India. For utilization of seaweed-based hydrocolloids in the country, requirements of carrageenan is approximately 500 tons per year, and on the other hand, India is producing 50 to 60 tons per year. Similarly, for agar, agarose and alginate, less than 50% of the domestic demand for the hydrocolloids are fulfilled by indigenous production, and rest of them are being imported. It is because of this shortfall, a large amount of the seaweed hydrocolloids is being imported by the country. India is having 7,500 km long coastline, and Indian seawater is the habitat of more than 800 different species of seaweeds. Many of them are abundant in nature, and some of them are cultivable, which is important from the viewpoint of biomass availability for enabling large-scale industrial exploitation. To meet the demand and provide worthy alternative, scientists at CSIR, Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute, started working on it. Today, they have succeeded in developing technologies in valorization of seaweeds such as Carpophycus alvarezi, Galidiola serosa, Gracilaria dura, Glacilaria edulis, and sargassum. CSIR Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute, Bhavnagar, devised raft method of seaweed cultivation and has also invented a technology for production of sap of the seaweed, Carpophycus alvarezi, along with a residue that yields carrageenan. The sap derived from fresh Carpophycus alvarezi is an effective biostimulant. It is inexpensive, which makes it suitable for broad acre crops, and its price point makes it affordable and within the means of a small and marginal farmer. Preliminary studies at CSIR CSMCRI showed that the folio application of sap in dilute form resulted in yield improvement in number of crops.
Liquid seaweed fertilizer, or we call liquid seaweed biostimulant, we have actually tested it across vast geographical area in India. Irrespective of agroclimatic regions, we have found them very successful in improving crop productivity in the range of 11 to 33% over and above the recommended dose of chemical fertilizers.
The integrated technology has already been commercialized, and one of our licensee whiz, Messrs Aqua Agri Processing Private Limited, which has set up processing plants for sap and had been marketing the product. It has recently tied up with IFCO to take this affordable product to Indian farmers. CSIR CSMCRI has also conducted training for farmers across coastal regions and is helping them in pursuing seaweed cultivation. CSIR CSMCRI have been rewarded for developing this technology. Growth is a phenomena, yet within the reach of man. Only a small effort and a strong vision is required.